Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to add HTML to a PHP file. So this is going to be how to use HTML and PHP on the same page. So first I will open the XAMPP control panel. So I will start Apache. And I will start MySQL. If you want to use database, if you want to use the MySQL database for your project, then you need to start MySQL. After that I will go to my PC, then I will go to C drive, XAMPP, htdocs. I am going to create a folder. And I will name this home. I will go inside the folder and then right click, open the code. Yes, I trust the authors. So now I will click on new file. Just select new file and I will name this index.php and I will write the code here. So first I need the HTML tag. So just go to any browser and just type HTML tag, then go inside the W3 schools. And I will copy the HTML tag, paste here. So I don't need this, I will remove. And I can name this web app. So I will put the code in body, the PHP code in body. So first I will take UL, and inside UL I'll type here PHP 4 and I'm going to use for loop. Then I equals to 1 semicolon. Then I less than 5 semicolon. I plus plus will use li tag. And give this number. Then echo. So you can see I have used for loop. So it will display number less than 5. Now I will click on file, save on. So just type localhost / the folder name home / index. index.php. Localhost / the folder name / index.php. The folder name is home. So you can see the number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, less than 5. Because I have used for loop, I less than equals to 5. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.